Morning, everybody. Glad to see you this morning. How are you? I'm sure we all good. Okay, today we will talk how to state if we can do something or what we can do it. Let's start our lessons. Selamat pagi semuanya. Senang sekali bisa bertemu kalian kembali. Apa kabar? Saya yakin kita semua dalam keadaan baik. Oke, hari ini kita akan berbicara tentang bagaimana kita menyatakan sesuatu yang bisa kita lakukan. Mari kita mulai pelajaran kita. Here, I will read for you this dialogue. Listen to me carefully, then read the dialogue by yourself. Benny, can you write the message in English? I don't think I can, but I will try. Siti, I think you can ask me the question in English. I'm not sure, but I will try. Next dialogue. Listen to me to read this dialogue again, then repeat after me. Will you sing an English song in Miss Nani's birthday? I know you can. Okay, I will, but why not you? You can sing too, can you? Next dialogue. Listen to me, read this dialogue, then repeat after me. Lina, sorry, I cannot come on time to the meeting. You come? I know you can. You just will not do it. Siti, can you return the book to the library for me, please? Certainly I can, and I will. Here are some statements related to someone. Listen to me read this for you. Next, you read it by yourself. Number 1. Mrs. Harum said, I am very proud of Siti. Now she can help me with the housework before she goes to school. She can get up early herself. Number 2. Rani said, Yuli and Tono can make fried rice, and they can fry the eggs nicely. They can also serve fried rice beautifully with tomatoes and celery. Number 3. Mr. Adnan says, It is usually not easy to speak English loudly and clearly, but I am happy that many of you can do it well. Adi still makes mistakes, but he can read his story loudly. Number 4. Donata says, Fatima always speaks softly, but when she sings, she can sing very loudly. Next, some other statements. Listen to me to read this for you. Next, read it by yourself. Number 5. Mrs. Fauzia says, Birds can fly because they have wings. We don't have wings, so we cannot fly. But we can make planes. With a plane, we can fly very high and go to far places. Number 6. Mr. Randy said, We cannot swim across the sea, but with a boat or a ship, we can go to other islands. Number 7. Mrs. Gracia says, The text is long and there are many new words in it. It is not easy to read, but you can work together. If you do it together, I am sure you can understand it easily. Number 8. Widi says, My nephew, Anton, is only 2 years old, but he is smart. He can go up the stairs himself. He can also go down easily too. Now, please write about them based on statement have been stated. Please do such an example on number 1. Tugasmu sekarang adalah menuliskan tentang mereka yang disebutkan di atas tadi sesuai dengan contoh nomor 1 di atas. Now, please write about them based on statement have been stated. Please do such an example on number 1 at slide before. Kembali kamu menuliskan tentang mereka yang disebutkan di atas tadi sesuai dengan contoh nomor 1 pada slide sebelumnya. Let's practice. Mari kita mengerjakan latihan berikut. Look at this table. Here the example of Wina can do and can do. In English, music, sport, housework, and others. For example, in English, Wina can read story, can answer question, but she can ask question. In music, Wina can play flute, sing English songs, and sing folk song. In sport, Wina can swim, can run, but she cannot play basketball. In housework, Wina can fry eggs, cook rice, and fry banana. The others what Wina can do are she can knit and she can draw. Berikut adalah contoh apa yang bisa Wina lakukan dan yang tidak bisa Wina lakukan pada bidang berikut seperti pada bidang bahasa Inggris, musik, olahraga, melakukan tugas-tugas rumah, dan yang lainnya. Contoh, pada bidang bahasa Inggris, Wina bisa membaca cerita, menjawab pertanyaan, tetapi dia tidak mampu bertanya. Pada bidang musik, Wina bisa bermain suling, menyanyi bahasa Inggris, dan menyanyikan lagu-lagu daerah. Pada bidang olahraga, Wina bisa berenang, bisa berlari, tetapi dia tidak bisa main basket. Untuk tugas-tugas rumah, Wina bisa menggoreng telur, memasak nasi, dan menggoreng pisang. Dan pada hal yang lain, Wina juga bisa menyulam dan menggambar. Here, the example of paragraph about Wina based on data above. Ini adalah contoh paragraf tentang Wina berdasarkan data di atas tadi. Wina can do many things. She can read English stories. She can answer questions, but she cannot ask questions in English. She also good at music. She can play the flute. She can sing too. She can sing English songs and folk songs. She can swim and run, but she cannot play basketball. She does them regularly. She can fry eggs and bananas. She can cook rice too. She has 2 hobbies. She can knit. She can also draw pictures. Ini adalah contoh tentang paragraf mengenai Wina berdasarkan data di atas tadi. Wina bisa melakukan banyak hal. Dia bisa membaca cerita-cerita bahasa Inggris. Dia bisa menjawab pertanyaan menggunakan bahasa Inggris. Tetapi dia tidak bisa bertanya menggunakan bahasa Inggris. Dia juga sangat hebat pada bidang musik. Dia bisa bermain seruling. Dia juga bisa menyanyi. Dia bisa menyanyi lagu-lagu bahasa Inggris dan lagu-lagu daerah. Dia bisa berenang dan berlari, tetapi dia tidak bisa bermain basket. Dia melakukannya setiap hari. Dia bisa menggoreng telur dan pisang. Dia juga bisa memasak nasi. Dia mempunyai 2 hobi, yaitu dia bisa menyulam dan dia juga bisa melukis gambar. Now, write about you at least 5 what you can do. Sekarang tugasmu adalah menulis tentang datamu sendiri, paling sedikit 5 hal yang bisa kamu lakukan di bidang bahasa Inggris, musik, olahraga, pekerjaan di rumah, dan bidang yang lainnya. Based on data above, write about you in paragraph. Berdasarkan data yang sudah kamu isi dalam tabel tadi, maka kamu tuliskan paragraf tentang dirimu seperti paragraf yang pada contoh di atas tentang Wina. You have to submit this assignment on Tuesday, 11/2020 at 5 p.m. Tugas ini kamu kumpulkan paling lambat adalah pada hari Selasa, tanggal 11 Agustus tahun 2020 pukul 5 sore. Terima kasih.